Welcome. Start by taking a deep breath. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle into your body. Let the world fade away. Now imagine a warm light above your head. This light is safe, healing. Let it slowly flow down through your body, relaxing every muscle, calming every thought. You are safe, you are supported. And now, in your mind's eye, I invite you to see the younger version of yourself, the one who first believed, I'm not good enough. Maybe they look hurt, maybe they look small. Gently walk up to them, kneel down, look into their eyes and say, I see you, I hear you, and it wasn't your fault. You were always enough, you just didn't know it yet. Watch as their face softens, as they begin to glow with that healing light. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine both of you merging into one. You are whole again. And now, you repeat slowly and with feeling, I am enough. I deserve to succeed. Success is safe for me. My worth is not based on what I do, but on who I am, and who I am is more than enough. Let those words settle into every cell of your body. Trust that your subconscious is listening, and that change is already happening. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and open your eyes. Welcome back. You are not who you were. You are becoming who you truly are.